R2 is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you.
Company, first order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute!
Resistance, disembark this ship and prepare for interrogation.
More walking and less gawking. Let's go.
The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Stand back and wait for the ball. You're with the Resistance. We're gonna break you all out. Let's go, let's go.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized! Wait! Those are the prisoners!
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block bridge. Cruising its last scene on level D.
There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruit!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift down. Quickly. Hurry.
No! I said down!
Requesting heavy weapons authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention! All Resistance personnel! Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This destroyer's about to...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear!
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground cruiser.
Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Okay, and hurry.
Lieutenant back here. Back! You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.